Hey guys, welcome back to another Woodbrew video. If you have been here well over a year, you might recognize where I am. This is our old shop. This shop, along with another shop back in the day, have been a part of Dylan's parents' house, and we have been so grateful to them for allowing us to use these spaces. To give back for all of those years of rent, we are giving his parents a little back patio makeover and get it ready for the summer. This back patio space is a spot where we all hang out when the family is over, and it's not a bad space at all, but Dylan's mom talks about what this space could be all the time. The ceiling and beams are new from Dylan's dad, so we just need to bring everything all together and make it a cozy spot to enjoy this summer. First things first, let's move all the current furniture off the porch and get ready to power wash. And also a big thank you to Home Depot for making this project possible. We use the cleaning degreaser first on the concrete pad itself, the steps that are the obvious popular pathway in the brick wall because we will be painting that later. While Dylan's power washing, here is the boxes we picked up the other day at Home Depot, and I think we have 2 trucks coming right now to drop off more stuff that we ordered on Home Depot online. So in just a few minutes we should have a couple trucks coming with the rest of the materials for this project. Now that all of our materials are here, we can start taking out the old pine straw, the old pavers, and grade the dirt to get this area ready to lay gravel for a small sitting area. While Dylan continues to grade the dirt away from the patio, I'm going to start taking out the old pine straw from the flower bed and get that ready for new mulch. Everything that I'm showing you in the order that it's in is exactly how we did it. It probably doesn't make sense at all, but this is kind of how our brains work, and while one person is working on one thing, the other can jump ahead a bit and get ready for the next steps. Maybe we are just chaotic and going all in, but this is just how we roll. Dylan's dad is also adding on to this project with us. If you know him, you know he's always building and moving, so he's building a grill awning for the new grill we have for them. Dylan hopped in here to help him for the rest of this afternoon.
Look at how sweet this baby is. Come here. Come here. Hey. So, she showed up to the neighborhood while we were working today, and we picked her up. We have a vet visit scheduled for this afternoon. She's in pretty bad shape. She's very, very skinny and has some sort of skin condition. It might be mange or something of that flavor, but she is the sweetest dog. Like, she listens already. She's just a baby. Oh goodness.
We continue to take out the rest of the pine straw all down the back of the house, and we will continue what we are doing in that main dirt area this way too. So more gravel. We're planning to put a propane fire pit in the middle here, and since the grill is so close, we can run the fire pit from the grill's propane tank and not have to have 2 completely different tanks. We ran a conduit under the ground perfectly for the longer propane line to run through. If you don't feel comfortable installing the propane line, you can always hire a pro. Under the gravel, we are adding this heavy-duty landscaping fabric. We should have used this stuff in our gravel areas at home because this is the real deal. enough rocks.
Yeah, for real. We made our spot bigger and bigger. We just kept expanding it. It looks fantastic, so if we have to order some more rocks, so be it, but hopefully we have enough.
I mean, there's like 2 pallets worth.
I hope so. First bag coming through. Oh, you gonna help me, Anna? You ready to dump the first one? Come here. Come here, dump it. Yeah, look. Woo. Oh, you're so sweet.
Who needs a workout? Who needs arm day, or core day, or leg day? Okay, so now we're coming back to the mulch and putting down Scott's black mulch. This stuff is great because it lasts all year and helps prevent weeds, and having a low maintenance flower bed sounds pretty good to me.
Whole family here.
Mm-hmm. Luna, you like the black mulch? Do you like it? Do you like it? You do? You do? Okay. Thank you. Come over here. Come over here. Thank you. Dylan is all about lights these days, so he's putting up these smart tape lights to the beams, and these will be able to be controlled by Alexa. A big thing Dylan's mom wanted back here was privacy to the porch, so we hung up 2 of these roll-up shades, and we are left with just a little bit left in the center, so Dylan and his dad built a small privacy wall real quick. This wall will also allow for the shade anchors to be put in so they don't blow in the wind too. A last minute decision we had with the 4 pavers we had left over was to make a walkway in the gravel to the backyard, mainly for the dogs to cross easier, and it turned out pretty sharp. Finally, on to painting this wall. The week we filmed this was hectic. We started working on the dirt area first, then we found Luna and had 3 dogs at the house, so try and keep 3 dogs away from a wet wall. Then it was raining, but here we are, and it's the last thing on our list before we add furniture. Oh, and the color is alabaster. All the furniture is from Home Depot, and all of that is linked down below. While this is a great summer project, this is also our gift for Mother's Day and Father's Day too. Home Depot is having a Memorial Day sale where some of these products will be included, like the dining table, grill, and black mulch. Okay, are you ready? This space turned out so good, and I cannot wait to hang out back here. The Hampton Bay fire pit area is incredibly nice and a nice ambiance during the evening. The Hampton Bay sectional is just what this patio needed to be able to lay out here and truly relax. The Hampton Bay dining table and chairs worked out great. The chairs are so comfy I cannot even explain. We saw the set in store and sat down, and it made me really excited to get this here. The grill area looks a bajillion times better, and the grill now has an actual spot. Speaking of the grill, this one is the Daytona 30-inch griddle from Next Grill, and it has 3 burners and the Daytona Fast Back grease management system that allows you to easily dispose of drippings and food residue. Everything on this grill is perfectly functional, and I think his parents will really enjoy it. When the shades go down, it gets even more cozy under the porch, and especially with the lighting. It really gives it a good nighttime hangout spot, and they honestly probably won't be able to get rid of us when the fire pit gets going and the dogs are playing. Everything we used again is from the Home Depot, so highly recommend checking out all of their great products for your summer project needs.